Hmm.
Jahangir's wife Noorjahan was very beautiful and ambitious. She
Okay.
ruled
Yes,
all
absolutely
the
right. Hmm.
work of administration.
Yes, very good. Chalo. Chalo. So everyone can revise like this way. The way we first read the answer, same way. Okay. Okay. So now
Allegedly, he,
MCQs.
ma'am,
हाँ बेटा MCQs are done or left?
ma'am left. बाकी है.
Okay. Okay. Who will read? Kasim will read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta read.
Who was the most inspiring ruler of Mughal
Inspiring नहीं,
dynasty?
inspiring. Okay.
Inspiring ruler of Mughal dynasty.
Hmm.
पर जहांगीर और औरंगजेब
औरंगजेब.
और
औरंगजेब.
शाहजहां.
अकबर.
अकबर.
नहीं. नहीं.
जहां
शाहजहां.
औरंगजेब.
औरंगजेब.
Okay.
the downfall
औरंगजेब.
of the downfall of Mughal Empire began during the region of
रीजन नहीं है बेटा. रीन ऑफ. ओके.
reign of Akbar, Jahangir,
औरंगजेब.
Aurangzeb, Shahjahan.
शाहजहां.
नहीं. शाहजहां के
मैम
लेटर
लास्ट
टाइम में.
जहांगीर.
औरंगजेब. औरंगजेब.
औरंगजेब.
औरंगजेब.
Aurangzeb.
औरंगजेब लास्ट रूलर था.
हाँ. औरंगजेब शाहजहां के लेटर पीरियड में when शाहजहां was
ओके.
very old, at that time it started the downfall. but but Aurangzeb was the ruler at that time. Aurangzeb had to struggle a lot for keeping his empire. But at last the Mughal empire began to the downfall began of Mughal empire. Okay. Yes,
Yes.
next one.
Jahangir killed Sikh Guru
अर्जुन सिंह.
Govind Singh, Guru Nanak Ji, Arjun Singh, के तेज बहादुर.
He killed Sikh Guru.
अर्जुन सिंह.
Yes. See, long question answers learn किए तो ये सब आएगा, right?
यस.
चलो next one.
The reign of
नहीं
reign
बेटा fourth one. Fourth number.
one. Jahangir allowed the Dutch to trade in India. English, Dutch, French, Portuguese,
Portuguese. What will be the answer?
फ्रेंच.
French,
नहीं English.
English.
Yes.
मैम
We
इंग्लिश तो लैंग्वेज है.
English matlab the Britishers who came, no, they were known as at that time they were known as they came from English, ऐसे बोलते थे. Portuguese French नहीं बोलते थे. Understood?
The reign of the,
Reign of Rignu नहीं reign.
the reign of Dash earned maximum revenue during the Mughal dynasty.
Hmm.
अकबर.
अकबर, जहांगीर, शाहजहां के औरंगजेब औरंगजेब
Yes. Who earned the maximum revenue?
अम, शाहजहां.
अकबर.
Yes, Akbar. Yes, Sufyan from sixth one. You read Sufyan. Sufyan. Chalo, who will like to read?
आई रीड.
No,
Which
Sahil.
I read?
Who is it?
Jehan.
I read
या.
Jehan.
Jehan. Yes, Jehan. You read.
Aurangzeb did not like dash art, music, painting, all of these.
ऑल ऑफ दिस.
Yes, he did not like all of these Aurangzeb, but he was very talented, huh, Jehan? He was very much talented. Yes. Next one. Continue.
Durga Das fought to free dash Malwa, Bijpur, Marwad के Golconda.
बीजापुर.
What will be the answer? Who will say?
बीजापुर.
Is he right?
बीजापुर.
I don't know. You say me.
Yeah, बीजापुर is right.
Hmm?
Sunraj, is it right or wrong?
Sunrise, is it answer what he said? It's wrong.
Wrong.
It is Marwad.
मारवाड़.
Marwad.
Hmm. Durgadas fought to free Marwad. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Chalo, next
Aurangzeb,
one.
Ma'am, I read.
Aurangzeb had constant
नहीं.
the constable with dashed Bijpur,
Constant conflicts. Okay.
constant conflicts with dash Bijpur, Gulkanda, Maharashtra, all of
All of
these.
this.
ऑल ऑफ दिस इन सबके साथ कांस्टेंट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थी औरंगजेब की, है ना?
Yes.
बीजापुर, गोलकंदा और महाराष्ट्र तीनों के साथ. ओके.
मेरे पर हर बार एग्जाम में
औरंगजेब,
एक्सटेंड होती है। अगर ऑल ऑफ दिस हो तो फिर ऑल ऑफ दिस ही आंसर आएगा।
चलो नेक्स्ट वन, नाइन्थ वन.
Aurangzeb had
I.
conflicts with dash Sikhs, Mughals, Buddhists, all of these.
6
So only
Six.
answer will be 6. Okay. Yes.
all of this मैम।
नहीं, ए ऑप्शन 6. मंगोलियंस और बुद्धिस्ट के साथ उनको कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स नहीं थी.
अब मैं रीड करूं मैम 10.
यस. कौन है who is asking for
Which
permission?
Sunrat Maida.
Yes, Sanraj. Read.
Number 10. Which festival was celebrated in a grand manner during Jahangir reigns? Number A. Ganesh Chaturthi. Number B. Deepavali. Number C. Raksha Bandhan. Number D. Dasera.
What? Yes, Dashera was celebrated in grand manner. Okay. ये जेहान रीड कर रहा था ना सनराज.
Yes.
उनको एक दो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और रीड कर लेने दो, बाद में आप करना, ठीक है?
Okay.
यस जेहान.
Write the name of the Mughal king in the chronological
Okay.
order.
Chronological. Okay.
Yes.
Babur, Humayun, Akbar,
Humayun, Akbar,
Jahangir, Shahjahan, and Aurangzeb.
Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb.
ये मैंने आपको लर्न करवाया है ना? एक के बाद एक रूलर के बारे में जब मैं लेसन आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी, दैट टाइम आई हैड एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, राइट?
Yes.
बॉयज रिमेंबर और नॉट?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, once more the first answer.
Write the name of the Mughal kings in chronological order.
Yes, continue. आंसर बोलो.
बाबर वाला बोलना है.
हुमायूं, अकबर,
Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. What
Yes.
does the word Jahangir means?
What does it mean?
Jahan means the world, Gir means the winning,
who conquered the world.
winning world.
जहाँ
Which
जहाँ मत
English visited India during the reign of Jahangir? Why? Hawking and Thomas Roe to seek permission to the trade in India.
Yes, wait 1 minute. Beta, how you to read the answer? You have to read the answer
Ma'am, I
given.
know how to answer.
You see once outside. I have taught all boys to read the full sentence. Students must read the full sentence. Read from the first one. So
Names of Mughal kings in chronological order. The names of the Mughal kings in chronological order are Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, and Aurangzeb.
absolutely right.
What does the word Jahangir mean? The word Jahangir means Jahan means world, and Gir means win, meaning winner of the world. Which English visited India during the reign of Jahangir? Why? During the reign of Jahangir, Hawking and Thomas Roy to seek permission to trade
Visited India
visited India to trade in India.
to seek permission.
To seek permission to trade in India.
Yes, absolutely right. Yes, understood बेटा कैसे पढ़ना है? जेहान,
Yes.
who was reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Read like that way.
Jehan.
Jehan, read.
Which English visited India during the reign of Jahangir? Why?
Reign of, okay.
Hawking and Thomas Roe to seek permission to trade in India.
Very good. Chalo, Jehan. Now we'll give the turn to Sanraj.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Jehan. Sanraj, continue.
Uh, which famous number 5? Which famous monuments were
मोमेंट्स
constructed
नहीं,
by Shah?
मोमेंट्स नहीं, और फोर्थ वन आपने
Monuments.
स्किप कर, फोर्थ वन आपने
Ah,
स्किप कर दिया.
fourth. Sorry. Number 4. Who handled the administration work of the kingdom of Jahangir? The administration work uh,
Of the kingdom of Jahangir was
of the kingdom of Jahangir was
handled.
his handled his wife
Yes,
Nurjahan.
yes, she was very beautiful and ambitious too, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Number
number
5.
5.
Which famous
Moments नहीं, monuments.
monuments were constructed by Shah Jahan?
Taj
The
Mahal,
monuments by constructed Shah Jahan is Taj Mahal, Diwan-e Am,
Diwan-e-Am, and the
Diwan-e
Diwan-e
Am and Diwan-e Khas in
Rang
Red
Mahal,
Fort.
Moti Masjid, Jama
Ra-
Masjid of the and Delhi, etc.
Yes. In Delhi.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
You remember na Diwani Aam and Diwani Khas?
Yes.
हाँ. That you have to speak
Ma'am, your
differently.
voice
You have
is
to
not
speak
coming
together,
clear.
okay? Because they are in Red Fort, a part of a Red Fort, okay?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am, your
continue,
voice is not
Sanraj.
coming clear.
Okay, ma'am. Which state were agents? Ma'am, what is this?
Aurangzeb.
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 The state where agents Aurangzeb is Marwar,
Bijapur, Golconda,
Bijapur,
state
Golconda,
of South India.
Kasim, तुम
Maharashtra,
में मत
the
बोल.
state of South Indian, etc.
Very good. Chalo. Who is speaking in middle?
मैम कासिम बीच में बोलते
कासिम,
हैं तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं
रजा,
आता.
कासिम. नेक्स्ट टर्न आपको दूंगी, ठीक है? अभी क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ रहे हो. वेट, ओके? यस है बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. Number 7.
Number
What type of
6
cloth?
one.
Ma'am, 6 हो गया. Oh, ठीक फिर से.
6.
Number 6. Which states were against Aurangzeb? The state where against
Against.
Aurangzeb is Marwar, Bijapur, Golconda, Maharashtra, the state of South Indian, etc.
Okay, next question, number 7.
Number 7. What type of cloth did Mughal king wear? The the Mughal king
War.
wore is gaudy
Body
clothes
clothes.
with lot of ornaments.
Lots of ornaments.
Ma'am, in social exam there will be no problem because it's in the last and it is Sunday before social exam.
Yes, 1 minute, huh, beta. चलो, नंबर सेकंड का आंसर दो, कासिम. Sahil,
Yes, ma'am. The
second
word
का आंसर
Jahangir means the word
Ma'am,
Jahangir
Jahan
means
means
the
world and
one
Gir
who
means
conquers the world.
green.
World mean Jahan means world and Gir means winner. Winner
yes,
meaning world winner. Arey,
winner of the
winner of the
world.
world.
Yes. Sanraj, Sanraj, can you listen me? Sanraj,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
can you listen me? चलो नंबर थर्ड वन का आंसर दो. थर्ड वन.
Jahangir, why? The
Sufyan, can you answer the third one? Jehan, can you answer? And Mohammed?
The King
yes,
Hawkins
ma'am.
and Thomas Roe visited India
Yes.
during
Yes,
the
absolutely right.
Jahangir.
Very right. देख के नहीं बोले ना बेटा.
ना देख के नहीं बोला.
चलो very good. चलो number first one Sahil.
Yes, ma'am. Write the names of Mughal kings in chronological manner. Order. The names of Mughal kings in chronological order are Shahjahan.
Hi.
नहीं.
बाबूर.
बाबर.
देखो एक तो साहिल पहले समझो.
हुमायूं.
क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर मीन्स के जैसे हिस्ट्री सेज
पहले
दैट
से.
वे.
Okay.
हाँ, इसमें आप कैसे भी किसी भी नाम नहीं लिख सकते, समझे?
Yes.
हाँ, बोलो. बाबूर.
बाबर. हुमायूं. बाबर. हुमायूं.
वेरी गुड. बोथ आर राइट देन. अकबर. अकबर. बाबूर, हुमायूं, अकबर.
बाबर. हुमायूं. अकबर. शाहजहां.
नहीं. जहांगीर.
जहांगीर. शाहजहां एंड औरंगजेब.
हाँ, चलो फिर से
बेटा.
अगेन.
बाबर. हुमायूं. अकबर.
जहांगीर.
जहांगीर. शाहजहां एंड औरंगजेब.
हाँ, जेहान बोलो तो सीक्वेंस क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर. आई विल हेल्प यू जेहान, ट्राई. जेहान एंड
अकबर,
मोहम्मद इज देयर. नहीं, बाबूर आएगा पहले.
बाबर,
वेरी गुड.
अकबर,
नहीं, हुमायूं.
हुमायूं,
अकबर.
अकबर.
जेहान, you were not present in my explanation class, beta. You were present.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So see, listen. Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, and last Aurangzeb.
Yes.
Okay.
मैम
Who
लास्ट
will say?
कौन है?
मैम बीच में और एक रूलर था. एस ऊपर से था.
औरंगजेब. Okay. Yes. और कौन बोलेगा? चलो. Chronological order.
Ma'am, I said. Ma'am, I
Say.
said
Who is it?
Kasim.
हाँ, कासिम से.
बाबर, हुमायूं, अकबर, जहांगीर, शाहजहां और औरंगजेब.
Absolutely right. चलो. Absolutely right. चलो. Number fourth one. Kasim, give the answer.
Yes. Who handled the administrative work of the kingdom? The administrative work of the kingdom, his wife Noor Jahan.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right.
The
चलो.
administrative work of the kingdom was handled by Noor. ऐसे आएगा.
Very good. चलो. Absolutely right. Number fifth one. Who will answer?
I answer.
Let us see if anyone is answering. Yes, I will give the answer of fifth one.
ताजमहल, दीवाने आम, दीवाने खास, मोती महल, जामा मस्जिद, एक्सेट्रा.
देखो आपने साइल मिस्टेक कर दी ना.
मोती मस्जिद.
आपने एक मिस्टेक कर दी. बताओ मैं. दीवाने आम दीवाने खास अलग नहीं बोलना है, दीवाने आम एंड दीवाने खास इन रेड फोर्ट बोलना है, समझे आप? दीवाने आम एंड दीवाने खास इन रेड फोर्ट आर ધ પાર્ટ ઓફ ધ રેડ ફોર્ટ. દીવાને આમમાં આમ પીપલ છે ને એના પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ ડિસ્કસ થતા હતા અને દીવાને ખાસમાં ખાસ પીપલ હોય ને એ ભેગા થતા હતા. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? એ બંને જગ્યા રેડ ફોર્ટમાં આવેલી છે. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? બોયઝ અન્ડરસ્ટુડ?
Yes.
Yes.
What it is? Tajmahal, Diwane Am and Diwane Khas in Red Fort. Okay? Rang Mahal, Moti
Okay.
Masjid, Jama Masjid of Delhi, etc. Okay?
Okay.
Who will say it again? Who will say it again? I'll help you say. Hello?
मैम फिर से बोला, मेरा नेटवर्क चला गया था.
ताजमहल, दीवाने आम एंड दीवाने खास इन रेड फोर्ट बोलना है. ओके?
ओके. In red
चलो.
fort.
Yes, chalo. Who is going to read the fill in the blanks?
I read.
Yes,
Am I
read.
read? Am I read?
Jahangir was the son of
किनके सन थे?
Akbar.
जहांगीर. Yes, absolutely right.
Many architectural monuments were constructed during the reign of Shah Jahan.
Yes. See, this we learned question answers, so it became easy, right?
Yes, Salim adopted the name Jahangir.
Yes, very good. समझ में आ रहा है ना boys? कासिम.
Prince.
Then revolted against Jahangir, Sikh Guru Arjun Singh.
Wrong. Wrong. Wrong.
जहांगीर
Wrong.
सिर्फ गुरु अर्जुन सिंह नहीं आएगा.
Prince
नहीं.
or Kusaru.
Yes. Prince Khusrau revolted against Jahangir, and Jahangir believed that Sikh Guru Arjan Singh ने उनकी help की थी, इसलिए he killed him. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one.
Jahangir's wife was
Nurjahan.
Yes, absolutely right. चलो.
Shah Jahan believed that dash is the pillar of prosperity. मैम ये नहीं आता.
ले. Shahjahan believed that agriculture is the pillar of prosperity.
Agriculture, yes. Shah
चलो
Jahan
next.
established a new city called Shahjahanabad.
Yes, very good. चलो.
Aurangzeb was well versed with dash and dash languages.
Which
Arabic and
languages?
Urdu and
नहीं, Arabic and Persian.
Arabic and Persian.
Very good. चलो.
Aurangzeb had dash in deep.
Quran Sharif.
कुरान ए शरीफ बोलना है, ठीक है? कुरान इज राइट बट कुरान ए शरीफ. Revise it once more.
Aurangzeb had studied Quran Sharif in depth. Aurangzeb
Very
had
good.
conflicts with Shah states, namely dash and dash.
Bijapur and
नहीं,
Golconda.
बीजापुर एंड गोलकंदा. Revise it once
Bijapur and
more.
Golpuram.
Revise it once more.
Aurangzeb conflicts with Shah states, namely dash and dash, Bijapur and Golpuram.
गोलकंदा.
क्या गोल?
गोलकंदा.
Golconda.
चलो नेक्स्ट वन.
Shivaji ruled over
महाराष्ट्र.
Maharashtra.
Abul Fazl wrote that every year dash expensive clothes were stitched for the king.
1000 कितने? 1000 expensive clothes.
Dash Ratnal was equipped to one score.
12.
12.
No, 55.5. 50 55.5.
And personal means
I'll explain you. Wait, let us finish this lesson first. Okay?
okay.
Otherwise, this will be
True or
left.
false? Jahangir killed
Yes, who
Guru.
will read?
Ma'am, I read.
Who is it?
Kasim.
मैम एक
Kas-
एफ भी दिया गया. The
नहीं, that we are not
Mughal
going to do.
Empire was established.
Ma'am, I read.
अगर आंसर चाहिए इसका, मुगल एम्पायर वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन द डैश सी, तो 1526 आएगा. क्या आएगा?
1536.
36 नहीं, 36 नहीं, 26. કેમ ભાઈ?
1526.
કેમ ભૂલાઈ ગયું ભાઈ? આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર માં કર્યું તો ખબર છે?
हाँ मैम.
હા, ચલો. Next, true or false is going to read?
Kasim.
Kasim, read beta.
Yes. Jahangir killed Guru Arjun Singh on the pretext that the Guru had helped Kusaru for the revolt.
True.
Is it true or false?
True.
Why true? Because he had actually, जहांगीर ने ऐसा सोचा था, right? He believed. Yes. Next one.
Akbar considered agriculture as the pillar of prosperity.
True.
What will be the answer?
False.
Why false?
मैम शाहजहां ने किया था.
हाँ, शाहजहां considered.
शाहजहां. Yes, false आएगा.
देखो, जो आंसर बोल रहे हैं ना, वो मुझे रीजन देंगे. हाँ, खाली पढ़ना नहीं है, रीड नहीं करना है. ओके. यस. नेक्स्ट वन.
Aurangzeb has a very sharp memory.
True.
All of you agree true?
Yes. Because he actually have a sharp memory.
Yes, and he had studied what?
Quran Sharif in depth.
Yes, very good. Chalo.
Sharif.
Akbar
next one.
did in-depth study of Quran Sharif, the holy book of Islam.
True.
नहीं ट्रू नहीं.
ये true तो आएगा.
हाँ ट्रू
ये
ट्रू.
अकबर नहीं false आएगा. औरंगजेब ने कुरान किया था.
Akbar नहीं है, false आएगा.
false आएगा मैम.
तो फिर
औरंगजेब ने कुरान शरीफ देश में.
हाँ.
yes, right.
Rajput leader ji
याद
fought
रखो.
Aurangzeb for 25 years.
True.
औरंगजेब ने स्टडी किया था कुरान शरीफ डेप्थ में. ओके.
Yes.
चलो, नंबर 5th वन.
Rajput leader Shivaji fought the Aurangzeb for 25 years.
True.
You say answer. I don't know.
And false.
Yes, next one.
False.
Abdul Fazal was a famous history writer.
False.
No, it's true. It's true.
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 Gujarat
It's
had
true.
a booming trade during the Mughal period.
It's true or false?
Abul Fazal तो क्या थे?
True. It's true. What it is?
Who was Abdul Fazal?
अब्दुल फजल was a famous history writer. अगर आपको याद हो तो मैंने 9 gems के बारे में समझाया था.
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. चलो, next one. Number 7th one.
Gujarat had booming trade during the Mughal period.
True.
Yes, it's true.
1 ratal is equal to 20 kilo.
False.
20 kg.
False.
नहीं, it's true.
50.
It's true.
As per Bernier, the Mughals kept a large army and used to spend huge amount on it.
True.
It's true.
Marathas made Mughals try to frustrate
Tired. Tried नहीं. It's tired.
tired and frustrated of war.
True. Yes. Sunraj.
And the
Sunraj 9 से फिर से पढ़ो आप.
Yes, ma'am. As per Bernier, the Mughals kept a large army and used to spend huge amount of it on it. True.
Hmm. It will be true.
Number
Yes,
10.
very good.
Marathas made Mughals tired of, frustrated of wars.
Yes. What will be the answer?
True. True. True.
Yes, very good. Chalo, next one.
Number 11. The Mughals could not find a able king
An able king.
after
हाँ,
after
काम हो तो.
Ar- Aurangzeb.
Hmm.
And we are
It's true.
sweetie.
Huh? The Mughals could not find any able king after Aurangzeb,
Yes,
so it declined, right?
yes.
Hmm.
Number 12. During the Mughal rule, maximum
Construction.
construction took place in the rule of Shah Jahan. True.
मैम
Yes,
ये
it's true.
एक्टिविटी करने की है.
नहीं नहीं वो नहीं करनी है अभी. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओके.
Okay.
If you want to do Sahil extra work, you can do it. Okay, and then
Okay.
submit
करना
it to
क्या है
me.
मैम?
Okay. हाँ
Okay.
करना क्या है?
देखो आप रीड करो.
Against the name of each king, write the years tick. उस सब king के years लिखने हैं.
हाँ हाँ. If you do, it's very good.
Which he ruled.
I have sent you. One or two girls have submitted. If you also want to do, then you can also do. But I
Yes,
have not
ma'am.
made it compulsory because
Yes, ma'am. मैं और साहिल करेंगे.
ठीक है. आपके पास है ना फोटो इसका?
Yeah. No, ma'am.
Screenshot करो.
हाँ है. PDF
हाँ
में नहीं है.
हाँ PDF में होगा ही बेटा. हाँ
होगा ही PDF में साहिल.
Yeah.
PDF में है ही. ओके डोंट वरी.
Okay.
चलो नाउ एनी डाउट्स फॉर द लेसन. तो आज हमने क्या किया पता है? आज हमने पूरा लेसन कंप्लीट कर दिया 7 का.
Yes, शाहजहां वाला.
पूरा लेसन कंप्लीट हो गया रिवीजन. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में दूसरा लेसन रिवाइज करेंगे. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
आज में
Yes.
कुछ डाउट नहीं है ना?
No.
नहीं मैम.
ओके एवरीथिंग क्लियर?
Yes. Clear.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. So we end up our class today here.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the next class, what you have to do?
Next class दूसरा लेसन करेंगे.
हाँ, but आपको उससे थोड़ी
Other
प्रिपरेशन
lessons.
करके आनी है.
Yes.
आपको क्या करना है? थोड़ा रिवीजन करके आना है, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो our revision will be very much faster. Okay?
Pass.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, boys. Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
So I wish you all the best. Today's which exam?
Bye, bye.